Major water bodies. Water cycle. Water is the only substance that is found in all the three physical forms: solid, liquid, and gas. In nature, water continuously gets converted into one form to another and move from the Earth's surface to the atmosphere and back again to the surface. The water from the ocean and the other water bodies evaporates due to the sun's heat and goes into the atmosphere as water vapor. This water vapor, upon reaching the upper layers of air, cools down and condenses to form clouds. Clouds causes precipitation, and the water ultimately comes back to the earth as rainfall or snowfall.
Some of it percolates down into the earth and some is absorbed by plants.
Most of the water falling on the land flows down to river, which again drains into the ocean. A lot of rain falls directly into the oceans. Evaporation starts all over again and the cycle continues. This cycle of evaporation, condensation and precipitation is never ending and is called the water cycle or the hydrological cycle. Saline water. Water of certain water bodies has a large amount of a salt dissolved in it. This water is called saline water. There are various types of salt dissolved in ocean water, but sodium chloride or common salt, magnesium chloride, magnesium and calcium sulfate are the main ones. Sodium chloride alone accounts for more than 77% of the total dissolved salt. The amount of salt in the ocean is called its salinity. Salinity of ocean water is, however, not the same at all places. It depends on the following factors: rate of evaporation, amount of precipitation, amount of fresh water that is added to the ocean. There occurs a heavy rain in the equatorial region throughout the year, and a huge amount of this fresh water is carried into the ocean by the rivers Amazon, Zaire, etc. Therefore, the ocean water here does not have high salinity. The tropical regions have the highest salinity due to high rate of evaporation. In the polar region, the salinity is low because the rate of evaporation is low and fresh water is added by melting icebergs. The partially or wholly enclosed seas like the Caspian Sea, the Mediterranean Sea, and the Red Sea generally have high salinity because the water does not mix freely with the ocean water.